Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about the Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program for school-going children, why it is important, when was it launched, and what we want to achieve out of this program. So let's start with the Khelo India anthem.
खेलो इंडिया साथ में हैं हम.
Yeah, so as you saw that every child actually wants to play a little more और खेलना चाहते हैं हम. खेल में मस्ती है. So sports is all about happiness. It's about fun. खेल से मुस्कान पाते हैं हम. So you get a lot of happiness. चांद छूना चाहते हैं हम. So you want to reach the stars. So there's a lot of aspiration. खेल जीतना सिखाता है. So you learn to be competitive. खेल में क्या बात है? So there's a lot of happiness there. एक दूसरे का साथ है. So sports is about friendship. It's about bonding. It's about being together. हम नहीं है किसी से कम. So it's about self-confidence and determination. Let's look at some of this story of some sports persons. Duti Chand, she is a national champion, Indian professional sprinter, and the current national champion. She was born in Jajpur, in a small place in Odisha, below poverty line. और 200 मीटर एशियन चैंपियनशिप में उन्होंने 16 साल की एज में शी गॉट ब्रॉन्ज मेडल एंड शी हैज गॉट 2 मेडल्स इन एशियन गेम्स. तो उनको 2 मेडल्स मिले हैं एशियन गेम्स में. कर्नम मल्लेश्वरी अगेन वो 5 डॉटर में से एक डॉटर वो है और वो 12 साल की उम्र में शी ट्रेन्ड अंडर कोच इन अपन्ना. शी वाज बोर्न इन आंध्र प्रदेश and in 1990, so that's at the age of 15, she was spotted by Sports Authority of India national campus join की थी. 18 साल की एज में वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मिला था उनको. एंड in the most prominent thing was 2000 Sydney Olympics में she got bronze medal, 4 world championship and 2 Asian games medals. Third example, Hima Das, born in a small again in a town called Dhing in Assam. One of the 5 daughters, father जो थे वो फार्मर थे और वो फुटबॉल से स्प्रिंटिंग में मूव की थी. उनकी पी टीचर जो है उन्होंने एडवाइस किया था, जो फोटोग्राफ में देख सकते हैं उनकी टीचर है. एंड वो एशियन गेम्स में 18 साल की उम्र में एशियन गेम्स की मेडलिस्ट बनी. इफ यू लुक एट ऑल द 3 एग्जांपल्स, Duti Chand, Karnam Malleshwari, Hima Das, in all 3 cases, or even in case of Sachin Tendulkar, all of them they were spotted at a very young age. So if you look at any subject, including sports, if you actually start investing on them very early on, so agar in the age of 10 to 12 years or 8 to 12 years, if you actually pick up children and find out what is their talent, then automatically they will start doing well when they grow up. So what is the big idea? The big idea is that we need to have grassroots development at a very at the school level. There are 1.5 million schools, 15 lakh school in India में, 30 crore school going children है and 8 crore है जो school नहीं जाते हैं. So if you actually make sure that physical education becomes part of the curriculum, 1 PE period per day, so what would happen is automatically the number of children playing sports will expand drastically. बहुत बढ़ जाएंगे बच्चे. So what will happen is that the number of children who will get to the next stage, whether they move from school to district to state to national level, will automatically go up. So more participation will lead to more podium finish. That's a structured roadmap for India, where we are looking at how do we connect with principals, PE teachers, community sports coaches like you, who would basically understand this concept that, like in mathematics, English, Hindi, social science, any other subject, you actually get children to do these subjects every day. So if you actually get children to play every day, what will happen? 3 main outcomes: fitness and active lifestyle for everyone. So every child will become fitter. Then children will get into multiple sports, whether it is individual sports, team sports, major games, minor games, traditional games, or recreational sports. And once they get into sports, some of them will get into the excellence bracket, and then they will start doing well. So what would happen is some children will do well in mathematics, some in science, some in English, some in sports. So that will create multiple pathways for them. And that is what we need. It's a huge opportunity for all the school leaders to transform India. So all of you are school leaders. What you need to do is to make sure that you implement a structured physical education and sports program in schools, and which has components of assessment, intervention, and monitoring, so that you can actually identify children who are doing well, and then they can pursue sports. So you have a big role to play to find the next champions. The Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program, or the Khelo India app, was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of India in February 2019. It's been more than 2 years right now. And what does this app do? Let's look at what does the app do.
यहाँ ढूंढो बाहर ढूंढो, घर में भी या बाहर ढूंढो, खेलते हो कि नहीं वो, अरे इंडिया के नए चैंपियन ढूंढो। फुटबॉल में, कबड्डी में, निक्कर में या चड्डी में, हॉकी में या टीटी में, रेस में या पीटी में, मम्मी भी और पापा भी, टीचर भी और मामा भी, अंकल आंटी बच्चा पार्टी ढूंढेंगे अब चैंपियंस भी। कैसे खेले, कहाँ खेले, चाहे गुरु हो या चेले, कितने फिट हो यहाँ देखो, रूल सारे यहाँ सीखो। कितना तेज दौड़े देखो, कितना दूर कूदे देखो, खेलते होंगे कहीं वो, अरे चलो अगले चैंपियन ढूंढो।
खेले भी हिले भी।
खेलो इंडिया ऐप के साथ आप भी ढूंढ सकते हैं अगले चैंपियंस। तो कोई फोन न रह जाए जिसमें ये ऐप ना हो, ताकि कोई चैंपियंस ना रह जाए जो डिस्कवर ना हो।
अरे चलो अगले चैंपियन ढूंढो।
खेलो इंडिया ऐप, चलो चैंपियंस ढूंढे।
Yeah. So, what is the purpose of this app? So basically, what we are saying that if schools and parents actually download this app and use it, you will be able to identify champions. Sports Authority of India will have the data to identify the champion. Let's look at what does it do. So this is the Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program for schools. So there are two key objectives. One is a physical fitness assessment of all children. And second thing is sports skills assessment for identifying sports talent. So these are the two main blocks of the program. So first one, every child, like they get an academic report card, they should also get a physical fitness assessment report card. And the second is that if a child is good, has a right level of fitness, then you can do sports skills assessment and then identify that. So this is a battery of tests for identifying the next champions. So there are 3 tests which is for 5 to 8 years, BMI, static balance and coordination. And for 9 to 18 years, there are a battery of 6 tests which are there. BMI being the common, speed, endurance, flexibility, core strength and muscular endurance. So let's look at this test more deeply when we get into the next segments. So basically, there are 4 main blocks of this application. The first one is an assessor interface. So the fitness assessor, that is a PE teacher or sports coaches, should be able to do assessment of children. And the best thing is this app actually works in offline mode also. Then the second is a school interface. So the schools can actually generate QR coded ID card for students, generate fitness report card and track the progress of school and children. That's what schools can do. Third is parents interface, where we are looking at individual report card for each child, viewing the report fitness dashboard, looking at the insights and drill down, look at the fitness history also. And Sai can actually look at the school data and also identify the sports fit and athletic children and identify the sporting talent. It's going to be a 3-stage program. The first one is fitness assessment for all. And maybe top 1% children, we would basically do advanced skills assessment. And the third stage is that out of that, a smaller percentage of children who are the best children across the country, we also do the talent identification, so sports specific assessment. It's a very simple fitness assessment app. So it has 3 main components like we talked about. If you are a principal, what you need to do is to go to schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in, create your username and password, and then you can log in with that. Second is the assessor. Who is an assessor? Physical education teacher, sports coaches, or the fitness assessor. Fitness assessor could be anyone. Even a primary teacher can become a fitness assessor. Second is download the Khelo India school version of the app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. And then you create a login with a user ID and password. That's a PE teacher, sports coach, and fitness assessor. What can parents do? There is another app called Khelo India app from which they can download from Google Play Store, and they can log in with their user ID and password. So we will look at all the 3 applications in the following segment. So if the PE teacher, what happens is that he can actually download this app. This is a white color icon that you can see. Search for Khelo India in bracket school version from the Google Play Store, even from the Apple Store. So you can actually take the test in both online and offline mode, and it automatically starts with the timer automatically starts with the Fox 40 whistle, and you can tag the score of students, and then you can actually track the fitness report card. So this is the battery of tests that we looked at some time back for 5 to 8 years. That is class 1, 2, and 3. There are a battery of 3 tests: BMI, static balance, and coordination. On 9 to 18 years, it's basically 6 tests: BMI, speed, endurance, flexibility, core strength, and muscular endurance. What are these tests? We will look at it in the next segment. If you are a parent, this is what the app does. So basically, you have 3 main sections. One is learn, basically about different sports. Second is play, where you can actually identify play fields. And third is called take test, that's a get fit, that's a third segment. So there are a lot of videos which are basically for every sport. There are a set of videos. I can just quickly play one. Let's say
Hey friends, I am Jaya. क्या आपको पता है कि पहले इस खेल में 5-5 प्लेयर्स दोनों तरफ होते हैं। हर किसी का लक्ष्य एक दूसरे के बास्केट में बॉल डालकर स्कोर करके हराना होता है। बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट में खेलने के लिए खिलाड़ियों का चुनाव इस प्रकार से होता है: पॉइंट गार्ड, सेंटर्स, फॉरवर्ड्स। इस खेल को खेलने के लिए ड्रिबल, पास और शूटिंग की जरूरत होती है। ड्रिबलिंग, शूटिंग, पासिंग, रिबाउंडिंग इत्यादि बास्केटबॉल के आम कौशल माने जाते हैं। बास्केटबॉल खेल के कुछ बुनियादी नियम हैं। हर टीम में 12 प्लेयर्स होते हैं, जिनमें से एक वक्त में कोर्ट में सिर्फ ड्रिबलिंग या पासिंग से आगे बढ़ाया जाता है। हर टीम 5 फाउल से ज्यादा करने पर वो
So you can see that there are actually videos for each and every sport, the 18 Khelo India sports. You can actually, as a parent, you can get children to look at them. So if you are a school principal or HM, so for a school principal or HM, what you have is a portal. It's called schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in. So as a principal, one can log into this portal, register the school, and then you can upload or manage the student data. And then once you upload the student data, you can generate the QR coded ID card. You can link the assessors. Then you can track the school performance. You can also filter and see the performance report card. This is the 10 by 10 Khelo India talent identification roadmap. So basically, idea is that if we can actually do assessment of 10 crore children by 2025, that's 100 million. And then out of that, even if you pick 1% children out of that, you can actually do talent identification nurturing for 9 to 14 years. And then out of that, even if you pick up 0.01%, you will have 10,000 world-class athletes. So that's a talent identification roadmap. Next aspect is when we are doing fitness assessment, one thing is very important, that the assessment should be done exactly the right way. That's very important. Doing assessment the right way is very critical. Because let's imagine that a child should get 99% in mathematics, but you are actually giving that child only 65. Then the child will not be able to pursue his passion because he is good, but by mistake you are given a lesser mark. Let's take the other example. If someone should actually get about 70, but you are given that child 99, what would happen? So the child will then get selected to appear for Olympiad in the next stage. Or in case of sports, a selection trial. But since he's not good anyway, he will not get moved to the stage beyond that. So in both cases, you actually hurt both the children. The child who is actually talented does not get a chance because of wrong marking, and the child who does not deserve to be there is given an opportunity, and anyway he will not clear. So it's very important that you actually do the assessment the right way. What is the role of school leader or principal? So the role of school leader or principal is to implement the quality Khelo India fitness assessment program. That's very important. So what is important, that PE and sports have to integrate to education. Second, PE teacher and coaches should participate in the training of trainer and development program. That's very important, that anytime there's a TOD program which is done by sports authority or by your board, please attend. Assessment should be done the right way. We talked about it. And the children who are good, you also need to do the talent nurturing. So what you need to do as school principal is to register your school on schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in. Just remember this address, everything else is there. And ask parents to download the Khelo India app for viewing report and doing assessment. What is the role of PE teacher or coaches? Extremely important. Is to find early talent and make sure that if you actually do proper investment in fitness and sports of a child, your children will become champions by 18. So participate in the TOD program, download the Khelo India School version app and do assessment in your school twice a year. And lastly, train other schools. That's also very important. So with that, I want to end this session. So we will move to the next session, which is basically about each of them. First one we're going to talk about is how should the principal upload the student data, generate the ID card, and do the assessor registration. So we are going to talk about for principal and as well as the assessor. That's going to be the next segment. So thank you so much. We will move to the next segment.